Welcome back to Coding Kaiju, my name is Diego. Godot has released an official press kit. For those who don't know, a press kit usually contains things like logos, art assets, and instructions on how the brand should be presented in the media. The Godot community in particular loves customizing the Godot logo, so this is a great step in ensuring that news organizations are able to easily find the official logo for their news stories. So far, Godot's press kit includes different variations of the logo and also a pronunciation guide. The Godot engine is named after the play, Waiting for Godot. The developers of the Godot engine and its contributors are from all over the world, so pronunciation differences are to be expected. But for native English speakers, they recommend Godot, with a silent T like in the French original. GOTM Jam number 3 has started. Make a game using the Godot engine. This jam's theme is Tiny World. The game's Jam page also has links to free video game assets you can use for your game. Submissions close on April 5th, so go out there and make something cool. Bitmap Flow is a tool to generate in-betweens for animated sprites. Basically, the program will take your sprite's animations and use an algorithm to determine what an in-between frame would look like. It's as simple as dragging a GIF or sprite sheet over the interface, and Bitmap Flow will automatically increase the frame rate of the animation. In these examples, it's using the simple flow algorithm. It's a non-iterative sublinear optical flow algorithm. The results aren't always perfect, but cleaning the results up in a sprite is much less work than building its animations from scratch. Lair Hockey has you control an air hockey puck and guide it through imaginative arcade worlds. You fight robots, escape death traps, acquire powers, and score goals against a variety of monsters and enemies. Lair Hockey releases on April 12th. Link will be in the description. Fiend's Isle is an action roguelike inspired by retro first-person RPGs of the 90s. Explore procedurally generated levels, fight monsters, and uncover the secrets of the mysterious island. Scrabdackle is a hand-drawn action-adventure game about exploring with non-linear progression and a unique mix of skill-based challenge and accessible gameplay. It features a vast, intricate overworld, tight and responsive combat, cheeky banter, and pages of lore to discover, all under a coat of playful charm. The developers of Scrabdackle just met their Kickstarter goal. Link will be in the description. Virtual Cottage gives you a comfy place to rest and be productive without any distractions. Open the game, set yourself a goal, and enjoy the atmosphere. The Haunted Demo Disc 2021 is out. It features 25 horror games made with Unity, Unreal, and the Godot engine in a retro PS1 art style. They've made a fantastic trailer, which I will link in the description. Go check it out. End Matter is a hyper-stylized, real-time space battle simulator. It's a strategy game set in space. Short, action-packed rounds of conquering new planets, defending them from enemy players, outgrowing their fleets, and showing them who's intergalactic boss. Alright, that's all I have for you this week. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.